Hey guys, welcome back for another one. Remember to stay safe out there. In this first one, we got someone too impatient for the red light and blasts past a police officer. Great timing, buddy. They were trying to go to jail. How'd you not see that guy?
Come on, go flying around me. Go flying around me.
Got two guys speeding in this one and a convenient police officer right there.
Few moments later.
Got another person speeding and another convenient police officer. You didn't save yourself any time.
Impressive.
Also guys, just so you know, speeding will barely help you get anywhere faster. If you do the math, you'll see that those seconds or minutes you saved weren't worth it. You just risked yourself and everyone else's life in the process. Slow down. Drive the speed limit, please. In this clip, someone is being too impatient and doesn't have room to get in the lane. Camera is being a dummy and won't let this guy in the lane, but now the driver is gonna get a ticket for being too aggressive and reckless.
Okay, Garmin, play video.
Few moments later.
Oh my gosh! That little kid almost got hit. How is that the driver's fault? What are those kids doing in the street? This looks like a major road. Those kids need to be at a crosswalk if they want to go across like that. Oh my gosh, man, that one's just not cool. We got another impatient driver.
Hey, that's pretty good.
With another convenient police officer. And it's all on camera. Camera is going 70 miles per hour. How fast is that driver going? They gotta be going hella fast to blast past him at 70 miles an hour. Well, that cop gets to have fun speeding. Guys, if you wanna go that fast, get on the track. What are you doing? Justice served. You're gonna blast through the red light like that. And guess what? The cop saw it. Straight to jail. Looks like a school zone too. Here we got another person blasting past someone already doing 70. And we got another convenient cop. That is not a good place to be speeding. I bet that cop is happy they get to drive like that. That must be fun. In this clip, someone cuts off the wrong person.
Few moments later.
Whoa.
Oh, you got caught in a speed trap. I mean, they weren't going that fast, but it was too fast.
Just stop.
Man, it's foggy out, but still.
Few moments later.
You did not see all those lights turning left in front of you? You gotta wait. Here we got two people speeding and weaving through traffic. One guy didn't notice the cop and kept on blasting through. Pro tip, if you are speeding, let somebody else speed a fair distance ahead of you.
Few moments later.
Here we got someone tailgating. Gets a nice brake check. Deserve it.